Hi everyone, for making these healthy, sugar-free and yummy truffles, start with adding 50 grams of roasted and unsalted pistachios in a grinder. Make a coarse powder of it and keep it aside. Then in a food processor or a blender, add 60 grams of cranberries along with 120 grams of seedless dates and make a paste. Then transfer into a bowl and add the powdered pistachios. Make sure you mix everything evenly. And make round and smooth balls as shown. Finally coat them with sesame seeds. Enjoy these amazing healthy truffles whenever you want. Also, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.